So I'll be asking my question in English, pardon me. So President Tsai has pledged humanitarian support for protesters who are fleeing from Hong Kong and coming to Taiwan. But under the current legal framework, there is no asylum process. So as more protesters, people from Hong Kong, flee to Taiwan, what legal formal processes is the government going to be putting in place? Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Your question regarding the development in Hong Kong. Our government consistent position has been to support and protect the democracy, freedom, human rights, rule of law in Hong Kong. We hope the Hong Kong government can respond to the demands of the people and allow the Hong Kong society return normal. In terms of the possibility of the Hong Kong people seeking the assistance in Taiwan, our government agency will provide the appropriate support case by case. We will deal with this case based on the humanitarian spirit and in line with the governing relation with Hong Kong and Macau and other relevant regulations. To say that Taiwan has intervened in Hong Kong situation is to belittle the Hong Kong people pursue the freedom and the democracy. This also shows how far the Beijing and the Hong Kong authority are from the public opinion in Hong Kong. As a democratic country and members of the international democratic community, Taiwan will support the Hong Kong people in their pursuit of the democracy and the freedom. Taiwan is concerned about the warning situation in Hong Kong, but we will not intervene. The history proved the human desire for freedom and the democracy cannot be suppressed by the authoritarian violence. We will still call upon the Beijing and the Hong Kong authority to use the wisdom and the good faith to resolve the problem and the conflict. Do not blame on the non-existent foreign intervention, not to reveal dialogue and communication with the Hong Kong people. Do not make a false judgment that will put them on the wrong side of the history. Thank you so much.